Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can create a desktop shortcut to lock your PC. Now, you can lock your PC in many ways, and I'm not going to be going through all of them because you might already know them. But having a shortcut just to double click on it and locking your PC is really cool and also really helpful. So let me show you how you can do that. So first you need to be on your home screen and right click. After right clicking, you need to go on to new and then shortcut. In this, they will ask you the type, the location of the item, and basically you have to type this command will obviously be in the description below. You just need to copy and paste it the way it is. Now it's really hard to pronounce this whole location, but once you've done it, just click on next. Now you need to name just give a name to the shortcut, and the name actually should be really precise. So I'm just gonna be typing lock PC and then finish, and now you're done. So here is the shortcut itself. Now if you double click this, your PC will be locked. If you guys have any queries about this or any doubts if it's not happening, then you can obviously ask them in the comments down below. Well, that's all for this video guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
You ain't got nothing to do if you stayed home. Never gonna be alone. 7 nights in